Hey guys, Kevin here. Today I'm going to share with you my top secret recipe for almond butter cookies. The cookies are deliciously crisp on the outside and soft and chewy on the inside. They're also gluten-free if that's important to you. So let's make these beauties, okay? To start, put one large organic egg in a medium-sized bowl and beat it to smithereens with a wire whisk. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to beat that in. These cookies are really easy to make. Then add 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Beat that in. You could also use, instead of the brown sugar, Demerara sugar, or even regular granulated sugar would work. Then we're going to ditch the whisk and add 1 cup of natural almond butter. And this is well chilled. You want to chill the butter first because it will be much easier to work with. You're going to stir that in with a yellow spatula. You just want to stir until the egg mix here gets incorporated into the almond butter. Here we go. Then this next ingredient is entirely optional. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of slivered almonds. Stir that in. Then let me clear the decks a little, and we can form the cookies. So grab a baking sheet, and you want to line the sheet with parchment paper or Silpat, whatever you have. And then take small clumps of the dough and roll them between the palms of your hands to get, cherry tomato sized balls. And then put each ball, I'll put it over here so you can see. Put each ball on the sheet and then flatten it a little bit so it won't roll around. I'm spacing these cookies, about 1.5 inches apart. I'll finish these off and come right back. All right, I'm back. I managed to form 15 cookies out of that dough. Now, to make sure that the cookies maintain their shape during baking, I'm going to pop these into the refrigerator while I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, the dough has chilled. The oven has preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So in go the cookies just until cracks form in the tops. That will take 8 to 10 minutes. We'll be back. All right, it's cookie time. Oh, they smell great. Have a look. As you can see, all of the cookies have developed these nifty cracks in the top. I'm going to let them cool on this pan for about 10 minutes, and then I will transfer them to a wire rack to let them cool to room temperature. My cookies have cooled to room temperature, And I won't lie, I've already eaten 2 of them. Before I have another little taste, I want to make one correction to the recipe. Earlier, I told you to use 1 cup of brown sugar. That's wrong. Use 1/3 cup of brown sugar, okay? Now, a taste. And believe me, I wish you were here to eat these cookies with me. Hear the crunch? So they're crispy on the outside, they're soft and chewy on the inside, and they're just indescribably delicious. So I hope you'll give the cookies a try. And I also hope you'll subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the little bell icon to receive notifications. I will see you very soon with another delicious recipe. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Bye for now.